Good morning. I'm Mrs.D.Maithra, Assistant Professor in Department of Commerce with Information Technology. Now I'm going to discuss a topic on network management. Here, network management refers to a process and system where the banks can oversee and coordinate the relationship with the help of global network correspondent by the partners and the branches. So here, most of the banks are using the network for transferring payment or transferring fund or any online transaction. So for this network are local area network and wide area network and internet connectivity is very important for the this network management. So this network management is ensure the reliability, performance and security of the network infrastructure. So it also include the network traffic and troubleshooting connectivity issue for managing the network devices and implementing the security measures. So here for the network management, we have benefits of effective network management. So first one is global reach. So by expanding the capacity and offering the services globally, they do not have any physical presence in the bank. Through the network, they can transfer all the information which is regarding transfer or deposit or any loan disbursement. Then cost efficiency. So by managing the relationship and outsourcing of non-core function, the banks can reduce the operational cost with the help of network management. Increase the liquidity. A well-managed network ensures the access of liquidity in various currencies to meet the client needs. Then risk reduction. By strong network management, it reduces the operational and financial risk which is associated with the cross-border transaction. Next one is regulatory compliance. Here, proper management network, it ensures that all the transactions are globally and locally regulated with the reducing risk fitness and actions. The next one is we have a key aspects of network management. The first one is correspondent banking relationship. So it involves in one bank providing the services to the another bank, usually a foreign country, to facilitate the international transaction. So it is presence of each and every country by having a good relationship and cross-border payment. The next one is transaction management. So it is a bank network which have a smooth execution between the international transaction by conducting a local branches. The next one is payment processing. Here, the cross border transfer and corporate payments have a good proper network. Next, liquidity and cash management. Here, bank needs to manage a liquidity across the network to meet their customer needs and operational requirement. So, this global liquidity ensures quickly access foreign currencies for transaction to adjust the cross-border payment with central system and local branches between different regions and currencies. The next one is risk management. Here, the risk management becomes a big network with having a various risks. Under that, the counterparty risk. The counterparty risk or institution in the transaction may default. Next, operational risk. Here, the operational risk is failure in process of people and system which can be disrupt the services. Next, regulatory risk. Compliances with local and international regulations such as anti-money laundering. The sanctions and enforcement must managed across the network. So the network management teams which focuses on ensuring that mitigated through due diligence and compliance process and real-time monitoring. Here, the next one is compliance and regulatory requirements. So each and every country has its own banking regulation with which banks must follow and operating according to that norms. So here, anti-money laundering and know your customer regulation. So it is a document where the KYC documents are approval for monitoring the transaction for suspicious activities, and they have a sanctions and a legal regulation for international sanctions, ensuring that the transaction do not involve any prohibition. Next, technological infrastructure. So banks are sophisticated with IT for global network system. Here, the Shift network, the Society of for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication is the primary goal messaging system used by the banks to send a payment instruction for foreign exchange orders. Next is blockchain. Blockchain and digital ledger technology. It is a exploring use of blockchain to create a decentralized, secure, and efficient of cross-border payment system. The next is partner and vendor management. Here, partner and vendor pay management are a third-party vendors with other financial institutions. Here, partner banks establish a formal relationship with other institutions. Next, service quality and efficiency. Networking management have a optimized service and delivery by reducing the transaction times, by improving the accuracy and ensuring the services are cost effective. Thank you.